ya electricity. It's a very unfortunate situation.
Okay, let me bring in Martin Chomba and on this, and please pass the microphone to Martin Chomba. He's in the chair Petroleum Outlets Association. Martin, there was a G2G agreement that had fuel was supposed to be subsidized at that level, ADNOC and Saudi Aramco. Has that had any impact on the cost of energy?
Thank you very much.
Yeah, go ahead. Your microphone is fine.
Thank you very much, Trevor.
Okay, let me switch that microphone to you. Just pass the microphone back there for a bit. Yes.
So thank you very much for the opportunity. I would want to probably bring something into perspective, because I think petroleum industry is one of the most misconceived industry in this country. Because one, it is the lowest hanging fruit when it comes to economic discussions. Everything seems to ride on petroleum. First, I would want to say that in Kenya we don't have a petroleum industry. What we have is a petroleum logistics industry. Saying this, what I mean is we don't have economic aspects of our own. Yeah. We are susceptible to every other economic shocks across the world. Today, as we speak, what is happening across the world is that there is an organization called OPEC, and what they do is that every time we have prices coming down, they usually spike demand by cutting down production to make sure that the prices go up. Irrespective of what the government of Kenya will do, they cannot make decisions of their own. When coming to the issues of the G2G arrangement, the G2G arrangement, in my opinion, was ostensibly to make sure that we don't mop up dollars out of the economy in a haste, the way we were doing spots buying of dollars. And today we are buying, I think this is the month that we are starting to pay the first batch of the G2G in terms of dollars, because the banks that issues the LP are the ones who are able to mop up dollars in 6 months and pay. Yeah. So basically what is happening within the industry of petroleum is, one, when we offer subsidy in petroleum, it's actually, you and I know that the government does not get money from anywhere else. So if I'm giving subsidy from this pocket, I'm getting that taxes from here. So the petroleum development levy that Waziri Moses Kuria was talking about, which is 5 shillings and 40 cents per liter. Every liter that you consume, whether you know it or not, you pay 5 shillings and 40 cents per liter. That is the money that is ostensibly supposed to be collected so that it can be a stabilization fund, not a subsidy. And this stabilization fund is to cushion when the prices are going up and when the world prices are astronomical. Today, as we speak, tomorrow the prices are supposed to be read by April. I don't know how they will read it, but the indicators world over, because in Kenya we consume the best crude in the world. Is called Muban crude. It's one of the best crudes that we have in the world. The prices of the plats have gone up, and we are trading today at around 98. It's expected that it should go up, unless the government now come up with an ingenious way of going about it. From where I sit, you don't envy to be sitting where the government is sitting, because either way you're down.
Na kuleta Moses Kilonzo ambaye anawakilisha watu wanaishi na ulemavu, kwa sababu kuna mjadala unajitokeza, Trevor, unaonyesha